Hello everyone, I'm Saijat and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's I'll try to do the 4G plus speed test comparison and the download speed test comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. And in this video, this is going to be really very interesting, friends, because I'm trying to use both iQOO phones versus the one phone which is a Realme X7 Max device. So it is a Realme X7 Max. So let's see which phone will be the clear winner and which phone has got what kind of disadvantages. That is what I'm going to highlight in this video. And in case if you are interested in this kind of similar kind of results and comparisons, and make sure to type in the YouTube 4G plus SciTech Guru. If you just type the phone model before and type the 4G plus SciTech Guru, you will get the respective videos whatever you want. Definitely, friends, try to check those videos which will be really interesting. So always make sure that your phone has got better 4G and the Wi-Fi connection before actually buying the device in terms of the connectivity. And this is a stopwatch which I'll be trying to use during this time of demonstration. Let me try to quickly show you exact models as well, so you'll get a clear idea, friends, what type of models I'm trying to use. So Realme X1 Max, iQOO 7 device and iQOO Z3 device, 8GB RAM, 8GB RAM variants, everything is 8GB RAM only. And I'm trying to use the Jio SIM card during this time of demonstration. Let me try to quickly open the SIM cards so you can actually see Jio SIM card I'm trying to use. As you can see, carrier, Jio SIM card carrier, you can see here clearly. Let me try to open even this phone, so which is a Jio SIM card, as you can clearly see here, friends. So all the phones are having the same kind of Jio SIM cards which I did install in all the three smartphones. That is the one thing which I thought of mentioning. And let me try to quickly open the NetMonster application as well to show you which phone has got the 4G plus aggregation. So 4G data is completely turned on, no Wi-Fi is on during this time. On the top of the notification panel, you cannot see any 4G plus in this iQOO 7 device. That is quite normal. Even in this same iQOO 7 device also, you cannot see any kind of 4G plus. So but you can see the 4G plus in the Realme X1 Max. That's good. As you can see, friends, this is an extreme condition which I'm trying to use, 4G plus which you got right now. But let's see which has got really good speeds and which will be having the better kind of Wi-Fi download speed, 4G data download speeds. That is what I'm trying to do in this demonstration. Let me try to open the first NetMonster application to show you exactly what is the bandwidth and everything. As you can see, friends, in all three smartphones, only one phone in the middle, which is a Realme X7 Max, was able to receive the LTE 1800 bandwidth. As you can see, 1800, which is clearly visible for you. So the iQOO 7 is not using the 4G plus, and even the iQOO Z3 also not using the 4G plus. Only the Realme X1 Max is receiving the 4G plus. That is what you should know, friends, before actually buying the device. So this is another application which I thought of just showing you, which is RX Monitor as well. So let's see which phone is detecting. As you can see, the carrier aggregation is detected in the Realme X1 Max model. So this is the only phone which is detecting the 4G plus right now, as you can clearly see, friends. So now let us move to the final test, which is a speed test. So let's see first which phone will be having the better kind of speeds. That is what I'm trying to test. So once the speed test has been completed, then I'll try to download the game from the Play Store, which is a kind of 50 MB game. I'll try to download and see which phone will be able to download faster. That is a really good practical test to demonstrate. So first let's see what will be the speeds. So then I'll try to download the game. So 4G plus, no 4G plus, 4G plus and no 4G plus. As you can see the difference, how much I'm getting at same time. So 4G plus, it's slightly close to 3 Mbps I'm getting, and other phones, two phones, I'm getting only 1.5 Mbps. So you may be wondering why I'm getting less speeds. Because I'm extreme indoor conditions only. This test I'm trying to do, this is extreme indoor conditions, friends. So inside my building and inside my room, and it's really extreme. So here definitely all the phones will definitely suffer in terms of the signals, and this is a perfect spot for me also to test the which phone has got really lot of potential in these extreme conditions. That is the reason I selected this kind of location. So right now in this test, we got to know the Realme X1 Max is slightly better. So first let me try to do the test in Realme X1 Max. First I'm trying to do it in this phone, and then I'll try to do in this phone, and then I'll try to do in the iQOO Z3. I'm just trying to do one by one. So maybe if you try to do the test one by one, sometimes the results can be slightly better. So that is what in my experience I felt. I'm not sure why, but yes. So now you're getting 5 Mbps. So before we got 3 Mbps, now we got 5 Mbps. So same thing I'm gonna do in this phone as well once the upload speed is finished. So then we can compare actually. So make sure to type in the YouTube, friends, 4G plus SciTech Guru. You will get all my videos which I uploaded and which will be really very interesting to watch. And right now upload is completed, and let me try to do the test in iQOO 7 device. So it is the iQOO 7 smartphone, as you can clearly see here. So in the iQOO 7, wow, that's really good. It went up to 7 Mbps. I'm not sure why, but still I'm not receiving any kind of 4G plus, only 4G and 1800 bandwidth. As you can see, 1800. and whereas the Realme X1 Max is receiving the 4G plus as well. You can clearly see sometimes this results speed test can be kind of confusing, and the only practical way to test which phone has got what kind of speeds is only by downloading. So that is the only way to test which phone can actually download faster. So once this complete, I'll try to do the same thing with the iQOO Z3. So here's the iQOO Z3 mobile phone. As you can see friends, this is what I'm trying to do. Let's see what this mobile phone is capable of pulling up, and just getting up to 7 Mbps and 3 Mbps. So that's really good. So let's see what will happen with the download speeds. I'm going to download the game which is called the Hill Climb Racing. This is what the game which I'm going to download, and the size is of 55 MB only. It's not huge size because I do have really very little amount of data left over, because I did plenty of 4G data comparisons in a day. So that is the reason. I did select only 55 MB kind of size. So this should be kind of okay. So right now 6 Mbps and 2 Mbps. So as you can clearly see friends, the difference how much we got. So 756, can see here 4G plus as well, but still I got less speeds in the Realme X1 Max. I'm not sure why, but let's see whether this time it will get high speeds or not. It's not getting higher than 7 Mbps, even though it has got the 4G plus, but still it's not getting higher than 8 and 4G plus and no 4G plus. The difference you can see, it's not much difference friends in this kind of indoor conditions. Let me try to go back to the Play Store and let me try to clear this speed test. So this is Play Store which I'm trying to open, and yep. So all the phones are loaded with the same Hill Climb Racing game at this point. Let's see which phone will be able to download the game faster. Let me try to click at same time. So all the phones are clicked at same time, as you can see friends clearly. So thank God I did click at same time, not so you can see the speeds. 6% is finished in the Realme X1 Max, and 3% iQOO Z3, and 4% in the iQOO 7 device. So this is a kind of race is going on friends between all of these three smartphones. I feel similarly like this. So 15% is already reached in the Realme X1 Max, 16, 10 and 8% and 9%, as you can clearly see here. So it's going to 21% right now. I'm getting the 4G plus. I think that's what helping in the Realme X1 Max. As I said, sometimes the speed test you cannot get exact results. So this is the only possible way to see which phone can actually get is getting the more signals. Right now 35% in the Realme X1 Max, and still 18% and 21%, 22 in the iQOO Z3. You can see the difference. So iQOO 7 is definitely lagging friends in terms of the 4G signals particularly. That is the reason I did upload plenty of videos, and a lot of users, they did share my videos with the iQOO team as well. You can see, just type iQOO 7 4G plus, you will get all my videos which are done previously. So 51% already, 54 and 38 in the iQOO Z3, and 32. As you can see the difference, it's kind of 64% and 46%, and the timer, you can see the timer as well side. So timer is of 1 minute. It did happen just for 55 MB of size friends, 55 MB of size. So these are extreme indoor conditions. I'm trying to do this kind of download test. So the first position goes to the Realme X1 Max obviously, because as you can see it's getting really faster. So 91%. I'll try to write down in the piece of paper how much time. So it finished exactly 1 minute and 54 seconds. Realme X1 Max, 1 minute 54 seconds. I'm trying to write down in the paper so we can discuss. One minute 54 seconds. And next phone, I think the iQOO Z3 gonna be having the next download speeds faster. So then we'll be having, I think, iQOO 7 device. You can see friends clearly how much difference we can expect. Sometimes the speed test can be definitely confusing, and you may not get the accurate results as well. And this iQOO Z3 is going to complete exactly 2 minutes and 33 seconds. So 2 minutes and 33 seconds it got completed, iQOO Z3. As you can clearly see friends, it's completely downloaded within 2 minutes. I think it's also completed around 2 minutes and 46 seconds. I did not see that. 45 seconds I think so. So these are the three test results, friends, as you can clearly see here, I did not see this exact time, so maybe it was close to 45 seconds or 44 seconds, but this is a quick comparison between three phones. Just by downloading 55 MB of file size, this much of time these three phones has taken. As you can clearly see, the winner is the Realme X1 Max. So having the 4G Plus will definitely help you in terms of the having faster download speeds as well. This is the live proof which we got. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and make sure to check the more videos of, by typing in the YouTube 4G Plus SciTech Guru. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.